How do we find this mod 11? Obviously, we don't want to multiply the whole thing. We can do it step by step, right? 1 times 3, obviously that's like just 3 mod 11. So 3 times 5 is 15 mod 11, which is 4 mod 11.
I suggest we just cancel the one off.
It's useless. 4 times 7 is 28, which is what mod 11?
6.
6 mod 11. 6 times 9 is 54, which is
-1.
-1 mod 11, or 10. Key thing here is just, you don't have to like actually find the product and then divide it by 11. You can just do it step by step because it's just easier this way. Instead of actually multiplying this whole thing, 15 times 7 is, what is that? 105? 105 times 9, 145. Actually, that's not even that bad if you divide it by 11. But another way to just do it is 3 times 5 is 15, right? So that's 4. 4 times 7 is 28, which is just 6 mod 11. I replaced 28 with 6. 6 times 9 is 54, which is 10. Okay, so that was just a warm-up question for this one. Find the remainder when 16 factorial is divided by 17.
How are we supposed to find that kind of complicated answer?
Right, so no one in their right mind would actually find 16 factorial, right? We could just group numbers that can give us 1. What does that even mean? I'll start us off. 2 times 9, that's just 1 mod 17, right? Huh? What else gives me a 1? Okay, I'm going to take away 1, that's useless. 2 and 9 are gone. Is there anything I could multiply to 3 to get 1 mod 17?
6. Yeah,
Yeah,
6.
6. So this is 1 mod 17. Next up is 4. Is there anything I could use? 13. This gives me 52. Yes, so next up is 5. We could use 5 times 7, right? Because that's just 1. Yeah, so let's take away everything we've done already. 4 and 5 are finished. 7 is finished. 13 is finished. Okay, so next up is 8. Can we pair anything up with 8? It's actually 15. Yes, 8 times 15 is 120, which is 1 mod 17, because 119 is divisible by 17. So 8 and 15 are gone. Really close. This is 10 times
12.
Yes, that's right. 11 times 14 is just 1. And 16 is -1. So if you multiply everything, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everything from 1 to 15, that's just going to be 1. But 16 just had to ruin the party because it's -1. Yeah, it's just remainder 16.
If you would like to learn more from these tutorials, please smash that like and subscribe button.